Ateker Professionals Initiative for Development, an association of professionals from Teso, was established in 2020. The initiative was established to stimulate development initiatives in the Teso region and link network members and partners locally, nationally and internationally. During a 2-day meeting held at Akel Hotel in Soroti City and opened by Honorable Musa Ecweru, the State Minister for Works and Transport indicated his pleasure that the Teso professionals had woken up to fight poverty.
Sons and daughters of Teso, who are professionals, coming together to say we want to see how best we can eliminate poverty in Teso. To me, it's one of the most exciting developments.
Honorable Minister called upon professionals to embrace government programs like the Parish Development Model, Emyoga, among others.
We are not here to replace any program of government. We are here to take advantage of the programs of government.
Honorable Ecweru advised professionals to encourage other Teso to join Teso Professionals Association, saying the information was a game changer.
Professionals are going to analyze the policies of government and then try to pick what is unique to Teso and try to translate and domesticate those policies.
Ecweru appealed to Teso professionals to uplift education and health in Teso. However, he said the Teso professionals should focus and uplift traditional schools, quoting an example saying that the old boys of Teso College Aloet have uplifted TCA.
But ignore the detractors. Those who are pessimists, they will join us with time.
Honorable Ecweru called upon the public to look for money for earning a living, adding that the clergy should engage in projects that will bring in money to churches. He also advised pastors and believers to focus on agriculture when rains start and minimize fasting.
Look for money. We must help them to get money. Bishop, please, we want you to engage in a project that will bring money. You pastor, don't just take us to fast in oligoil.
Minister Ecweru urged the people of Teso to work hard and stop drinking very early in the mornings. He expressed disappointment, saying that the men had left the burden of looking after children under the care of the mothers.
I don't want to be guided. The majority of them have become hopeless. You have a wife, you have children, you have parents. But you are beginning to drink at 9 in the morning.
Dr. John Ekure, the chairperson at Ateker Professionals Initiative for Development, said Ateker Professionals Initiative for Development Limited is an association of Teso professionals established in 2020 and registered in 2021. He said the association was registered as a non-profit entity and is not political. He said there were about 200 Ateker professionals who had registered as members and noted that membership fee was 500,000 shillings. Dr. Ekure said Teso and Karamoja were lagging behind in development.
As professionals, we are putting our brains together, our energies together to see that we mobilize our populations for growth and development. We have stinking poverty, and poverty, like many people have said, is more or less.
Dr. John Okurut, one of the registered Ateker professionals, said they are in the process of opening a bank.
We thought that we should create an institution where people can access to financing. So there is a dream to create a bank in Teso.